What if I told you that in 2026, some Americans are earning money while they're sleeping, traveling, watching Netflix, or even spending time with their families? The biggest myth about passive income is that it's easy money. It isn't. Most passive income streams require effort, time, or money up front. But once they're built correctly, they can continue generating cash month after month with minimal ongoing work. As inflation continues to affect everyday expenses and economic uncertainty remains a reality, more people are searching for ways to create additional income without taking on a second full-time job. Today, we're going to explore 7 passive income ideas that are actually working in 2026 and why more Americans are using them to build financial freedom. Let's start with one of the most reliable passive income strategies ever created: dividend investing. Instead of relying solely on stock price growth, dividend investors get paid simply for owning shares of certain companies. Many established businesses distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders every quarter. In 2026, dividend-focused ETFs and blue-chip companies remain popular among investors looking for steady cash flow. While building a meaningful dividend income stream takes time, the power of compounding can turn a modest portfolio into a significant source of recurring income. Many investors automatically reinvest their dividends, allowing their money to generate even more money over time. Another passive income strategy gaining momentum is high-yield savings accounts and cash management accounts. For years, traditional savings accounts paid almost nothing, but recent interest rate environments have changed the game. Many Americans are now earning competitive yields simply by keeping emergency funds and idle cash in the right accounts. While this won't make anyone rich overnight, it's one of the safest forms of passive income available. Instead of letting cash sit in a low-interest bank account, smart savers are allowing their money to work for them while maintaining liquidity and security. Real estate continues to be a favorite wealth-building tool, but not everyone wants to deal with tenants, maintenance calls, and property management headaches. That's why real estate investment trusts, commonly known as REITs, have become increasingly popular. REITs allow investors to gain exposure to commercial properties, apartment complexes, warehouses, and other real estate assets without directly owning physical property. Investors can buy shares through brokerage accounts, just like stocks, and many REITs distribute regular income through dividends. This provides an opportunity to benefit from the real estate market without the responsibilities traditionally associated with being a landlord. One of the most exciting passive income opportunities in 2026 comes from digital products. The internet has made it possible for creators to sell templates, ebooks, online courses, digital planners, stock photos, and educational resources to customers around the world. The initial creation process requires effort, but once a digital product is launched, it can generate sales repeatedly with very little additional work. Many entrepreneurs are discovering that a single successful digital product can create recurring revenue for years. As artificial intelligence tools become more accessible, creating and marketing digital products has become easier than ever before. Another growing trend involves content monetization. YouTube channels, blogs, newsletters, and niche websites continue generating passive income through advertising revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and memberships. While creating quality content requires dedication in the beginning, successful content assets can continue attracting viewers and generating income long after they are published. Some videos uploaded years ago are still earning money today. The key is producing evergreen content that remains useful and relevant over time. This allows creators to build a library of assets that work around the clock. Peer-to-peer lending and alternative investment platforms have also attracted attention from investors seeking additional income streams. These platforms connect investors with borrowers and allow participants to earn returns from interest payments. Although these opportunities generally involve higher risk than traditional savings accounts, some investors use them as part of a diversified strategy. The most successful investors understand that passive income is not about chasing the highest returns possible. It's about balancing risk, consistency, and long-term sustainability. Finally, One passive income strategy that often gets overlooked is investing in broad market index funds through retirement accounts, such as a 401k or IRA. While many people think passive income must produce immediate monthly cash flow, long-term wealth accumulation can be equally powerful. Index funds provide exposure to hundreds or even thousands of companies while requiring almost no active management.